Welcome to Second Life Upcycling. In this sewing and upcycling tutorial, I'll explain what I did to increase a couple of dress sizes on this button-down shirt dress. It wasn't difficult and would be suitable for beginner sewers. This dress had become too tight, the buttons were popping and gaping, and I didn't feel comfortable wearing it anymore. And with its button-down style with the side seam, this dress was the perfect design to simply add a piece of fabric to the side, which would increase the width. The first step was to find fabric that matched the dress. In my upcycling pile, I found this mandarin style top that was also now too tight for me. The fabric on the back was perfect for this project. I later used the fabric from the front of the top to make a gorgeous little bag. The first step was to open up the side seams of the shirt dress. Next, I separated the back of the mandarin top from the front and cut the back into two separate pieces. I then measured and cut these into two separate triangles. I decided to cut them into triangles because I wanted the new dress design to flare at the bottom, not have the original tight, straight style. I then pinned the triangles to the side seams of the dress. The new side seams were then sewn in place on the sewing machine. And finally, a new bottom hem is sewn and it's finished. And here is the before photo and what it looks like now. Thanks for watching. If you would like to see more sewing and upcycling tutorials like this, please throw me a thumbs up. It really helps. I upload tutorials weekly, so subscribe so you don't miss an update. See you next time.